Hello my dear pharmacist friends, welcome to this new pharmacy MCQs video. Our first MCQ of this video, desmopressin is indicated for the treatment of options are diabetes insipidus, hemophilia, von Willebrand disease, all of the above. So actually desmopressin can be indicated in the treatment of all of these diseases. So D is our correct option here. Our second MCQ, the lifespan of platelets ranges from option A is 8 to 12 days, option B 16 to 20 days, option C is 46 to 54 days, D is 80 to 88 and last option is more than 120 days. Actually the lifespan of platelets ranges from 8 to 12 days. The medical abbreviation of STATE indicates parenteral nutrition, given immediately, given as needed, take as directed, and given every week. It is actually used by physicians in their prescriptions with medicines that are to be taken or given immediately. So STATE represents given immediately. Now our next MCQ, what is mellitracin? Option A is typical antipsychotic, atypical antipsychotic, tricyclic antidepressant and atypical antidepressant. Actually mellitracin is tricyclic antidepressant. It is given in depression and anxiety. What is flupentazole? Options are anesthetic, antipsychotic, antidepressant, analgesic and gastroprokinetic. Actually flupentazole is given in conditions like schizophrenia and other mental health disorders. So flupentazole is an antipsychotic drug. Now the next MCQ, neprilysin inhibitors are indicated for the treatment of options are hypertension, asthma, benign carcinoma, AIDS and last option coronavirus infection. Actually neprilysin inhibitors are indicated for the treatment of hypertension. The example of neprilysin inhibitors is sacubitril. It actually inhibits neprilysin from degrading natriuretic peptides in our blood, and thus their presence in our blood will increase the natriuresis action, which will decrease the blood pressure of the patient. So neprilysin is an antihypertensive medication. Now zolmitriptan exerts its action via serotonin receptor agonist, serotonin receptor antagonist, dopamine receptor agonist, dopamine receptor antagonist and noradrenaline reuptake inhibitor. Actually zolmitriptan is an anti-migraine medication and it exerts its action via serotonin receptor agonism. So A is our correct option here. The indication for strontium renylate is premature ejaculation, lung cancer, osteoporosis, brain hemorrhage and Alzheimer's disease. Actually the indication for strontium renylate is osteoporosis. It is actually available in sachet form and it is administered to fight against this condition of osteoporosis. The medical abbreviation of PRN stands for options are parenteral nutrition, given immediately, given as needed, take as directed, not suitable for rectal administration. Actually it is again used by the physicians in their prescriptions. PRN stands for given as needed, as it is sometimes mentioned in the prescription dard ki surat mein, that take this medicine when you feel pain or vomiting or something like that. So PRN is written in the instructions for how to take this medicine. So PRN stands for given as needed and not the other options as shown here. Now the last MCQ, the lifespan of white blood cells ranges from 7 to 10 days, 13 to 20 days, 43 to 56 days, 82 to 88 days, and more than 120 days. Actually, white blood cells are the vital part of our immune system, and the question asks here about their lifespan, and that ranges from 13 to 20 days. For platelets, it was about 8 to 12 days, and for white blood cells, it is 13 to 20 days. So it is their lifespan. Friends, this was enough for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you have learnt something or other from this video. For more such pharmacy MCQs videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.